Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play chess with ChatGPT. So if you're bored or something, you can just load up ChatGPT and then you can just ask it to play chess with you and it will do it. So first let's go to chatgpt.com and let's just type play chess with me. And yes, it has agreed to play chess with me. So it's just setting up the board, so it will take some time. So the way you can play chess with ChatGPT is by using coordinates. As you can see on the top, you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and on the left side you can see the numbers. So these are the coordinates. So over here I have played my move and ChatGPT will play their move as well. And this is how you can proceed with playing chess with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.